Hello my friend and welcome back to Quiz Factory. In today's video we'll play Find the Odd One Out. We prepared 40 questions and you have 10 seconds to answer. For each correct answer you'll get 1 point. If you're ready, please subscribe to our channel and let's get started with the easy level. Can you find the odd pizza? Oh great, the odd pizza is right in the first row. Where's the odd mango? Very good, it's in the second row. Next, test your memory. Remember the position of all emojis. Okay, so where's the rice bowl located? Your memory's very good. It's at number 3. Can you guess this food by emoji? That's our favorite dish, chicken wings. Come on, can you find the odd light bulb? Of course, the odd light bulb is in the last line. Where's the odd mouse emoji? Nice! Have you found it yet? It's here, in the third row. Can you spot 3 differences between these 2 pictures? Time's up! Let's count the differences you found. Nice! Do you like fries? Find its correct emoji. Well done! The correct answer is picture B. Oh, pancake! Where's the odd one? Great job! The odd emoji's here. Pancake versus cupcake. Which food do you like better? What's your favorite dish? Please leave a comment. Let's move to the medium level. Can you find the odd grape bunch? Oh, so good! That's the second row. Where's the odd panda? So cute! And the odd one's in the last row. What food are these emojis about? Wonderful! A very delicious dish, sandwich. Observe and remember the locations of all foods. Can you remember where the sandwich is located? You're great! It's located at the number 2 position. There's an odd orange here. Please help me find it. Amazing! What you need is in line 3. Where's the odd burger? My answer's in the second row. And you? Do you like Burger King? Which one's the correct logo? Of course, the correct logo's C. Let's find the odd teacher. Time's up, and the odd one's here. What word does this emoji refer to? Exactly, it's fireman. Amazing! So would you rather be a teacher or a fireman? Let me know your favorite career in the comments. Next is the hard level. I believe you can do it. Can you help me find the odd traffic light? Great, that's the one in line 3. Where's the odd police car? Yes, right in the first row. Do you recognize this Disney movie? Name it. Haha, so funny! That's the movie Zootopia. Quickly remember the locations of these emojis. Okay, so what number's the plane in? Wonderful! Airplane's at number 5. You're great! Can you find the odd Mickey? Correct! It's here in the 4th row. Where's the odd frog? Awesome! The odd frog's in the last line. How many of you recognize this character? Exactly, that's Rapunzel, the 10th Disney princess. Can you spot 3 differences between these 2 pictures? Time's up, and here are the 3 differences to look for. You did great! Keep going! Find the odd horse. Have you found it yet? The odd number's here. Would you rather spend your weekends watching movies or going on a trip? What do you choose? Let us know in the comments. The last one is impossible level. I hope you do well. Where's the odd monkey? Fantastic! The odd one's here, the 4th line. Can you find the odd dice? Wonderful! It's located in the 1st row. You have 10 seconds to memorize all the flags. Okay, what number's the Russian flag? You're great! It's located at the number 4 position. Great! So which country do these emojis refer to? That's right, it's an Asian country, Philippines. Let's continue. Can you find the odd lion? Of course, it's in the 2nd line. What animal are these emojis about? Good job! Sea lion's the correct answer. There's an odd emoji here. Where is it? Have you found it yet? The odd emoji's here. Can you spot 3 differences between these 2 pictures? Time's up! Let's count the differences you found. Which one's correct? Amazing! The correct emoji's B. Can you help me find the odd ghost? Where did you find the odd ghost? Let me know your answer in the comment section. Thank you for watching the video. Don't forget to subscribe to the Quiz Factory channel for more fun challenges like this, and see you in the next video.